Hi, this is Melissa Lynn with hashtag Melissa Lynn Hair. I'm going to show you how to do a curling iron technique that's really modern, really beachy waves. And I'm going to do it on my beautiful client. I've done most of her hair already, but I've left the front out so that I can show you how to achieve this at home. Right now I'm using Orbai's Opera Beach spray, and it's a wave and shine spray. It's amazing. Gives a little bit of a waxy texture, but without being too heavy. I'm gonna pass the phone to Kristen. Here's my beautiful client. Hi, Kristen. She's gonna hold the phone for me so I can show you how I achieve this look. Okay, perfect. So here's this section on Kristen. I'm gonna take out about this wide of a section. You can do smaller sections. I'm going to spray just a little bit of that. And I'm going to take a curling iron, it's about 1 inch thick. Can you see that? And I'm going to do it horizontally on her hair, wrapping it around, and then keeping that mouth open, and just barely leaving the end out of the curl, holding it horizontally for a few seconds to achieve that curl. And here is where the modern part comes in. When I pull that curl out, see how it is? Now I'm going to yank on it a little bit and shake it a little bit. And you get that beautiful curl right there. Again, horizontally with the curling iron. Wrap it around, wrap it around, wrap it around. Hold it for a few seconds. Slide it off. Now I've got a super curly one. I'm going to pull it and shake it a little bit. And you get that beautiful beach wave. And normally Kristen's hair is pretty straight. You can do this on really any hair texture. I'm going to spray a little bit more of this. A little bit goes a long way with Orbai. It's a really high-end, beautiful line. And it smells heavenly. I also told Kristen how to pin curl this up tonight so that her hair will look beautiful tomorrow as well, and she can rock this out for a couple of days. Okay, one more on this side, and we will be good to go. Around, around, around. Hold it for a minute. Perfect. Curly, pull it, shake it. Beautiful. So now you can see how beautiful her hair looks. Really modern. Wave there, kind of an S shape. The end's been left out a little bit. It gives it just that total beachy wave. Super beautiful on her. How do you like it?
I love it.
I love it too. Okay, ciao.